I'll be trying a combination of Vietnamese food and Middle Eastern food with the banh mi kebab. But first, let's try out a normal banh mi.
Hi, how you going?
Yes.
Can I get a crispy pork banh mi, please?
One crispy pork?
Yeah.
You want chili?
Yes, please.
Okay. Hello, lovely.
Yep. And card.
Thank you.
Thank you. Secured the bag. Alright, so first off, we're gonna get a normal banh mi. We've got a crispy pork banh mi. Right there, brother. I asked for chili, but last time I got a bunch of chili in this, I almost died because it was that spicy. Fill up with carrots, cilantro, that crispy pork. Do you hear that? What's that? That pate in there, Vietnamese butter, carrots, cilantro, cucumber, radish. Flaky bread that's going everywhere. This is the normal banh mi you would typically get at a Vietnamese bakery. Now, if you see my Vietnam video, you can tell that I was dying for one. And compared to Vietnam, there's a lot more stuff. There's a lot more stuff in this. The one in Vietnam was a lot emptier, if that makes sense. It felt like a snack. This feels like a whole meal, if that makes any sense. I just had a big piece of chili and I could feel it. I can feel it on my tongue. Okay, I think it's calm. We're like building up slowly. I think we're good. This is your typical type of banh mi, a crispy pork banh mi. I would probably rate this a good 8 out of 10. This is the one everyone thinks of. When you think of a banh mi, this is the thing you type of get, right? And price, it was 10 bucks. That's usually the price you'd pay for a banh mi. There's other ones you can get, they're probably about like what? 15 bucks, 12 to 15 bucks. 10 bucks from probably a place that doesn't do their taxes correctly. So that's a pretty good deal. They pack it up with meat. You can see down there. They absolutely pack it. I think you're getting pretty good bang for your buck. We're not here to review this. We're here to review the banh mi kebab. So let's go try that next. All right, here we are. The place is called Lucky Kebab. It's already a ton smaller. I first want to talk about the price. I got the truffle chicken kebab because they didn't have a pork one because it's a halal place. 16 bucks for one kebab. Now that's already $6 more expensive than I was willing to pay, but hopefully it's $6 more worth it. Let's have a look at it. Look at that inside, full with tabbouleh, truffle sauce, chicken. Love it. Okay, let me crack into the Coke Zero because I'm thirsty. It's nice, but if I'm being honest, it's just a kebab. There's nothing really banh mi about it besides the bread. Banh mi means bread or bread roll in Vietnamese. So I guess it's technically correct, but it's not that. It's still pretty good. It's not that amazing though, and it's not comparable to a banh mi. It does have that kebab meat flavor, the one that spins around, whatever that's called. What's that called? Whatever it's called. The tabbouleh is nice. Not very oniony. The truffle sauce is nice though, but I'm a simp for truffle sauce. 16 bucks though. Would I buy this over a normal banh mi? Probably not. He was looking at me and I looked at him, he was like, he looked away. But yeah, would I buy this over a normal banh mi? No, I wouldn't. There's nothing crazy about it. I feel like it's just a normal sandwich. That one time you had like chicken, rotisserie chicken in the fridge, you chucked it in some bread, there you go. I really feel like it's just that. It is still pretty alright. 16 bucks for this compared to a $10 normal crispy pork banh mi. I'm picking the crispy pork. If I had to give this a rating out of 10 on the same rank, on the same rating thing as the banh mi from previous, I'd give it a 6. It's alright, but I probably wouldn't get it. Yeah, I probably wouldn't get it again. I'm extremely disappointed about this. I traveled all the way here. This was $16 for what? It's half decent. The nice thing about it, the nice thing about it is just the truffle sauce. Maybe I got the wrong one. Who knows? Maybe. If you want to try it out, it's called Lucky Kebab. Try it out, give it a go if you really want to, but if you want a normal banh mi, get a normal banh mi. Get a normal crispy pork banh mi. If you want whatever this is, go get it. It's just, I won't throw it because I'm not wasting $16 worth of food. But yeah, it's disappointing. It's alright. You can get it if you want. I'm not. It's your money. You spend it. I'm not spending your money. Spend it however you want. Go get a sandwich from Coles or whatever. I don't care. That's it.